Slide organization in PowerPoint. In the previous chapter, you have learned to create presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Presenting an idea or topic to an audience for information or imparting of knowledge is called presentation. PowerPoint presentation is made up of slides. You can compare slides to pages in a document. Slideshow. To show your presentation, click the slideshow icon on the status bar. Start Slideshow group on the Slideshow tab gives you more options for showing your presentation. Inserting objects. You have created presentations having text. These texts were inserted in the text boxes provided. We can insert more text boxes, images, shapes, charts, tables, etc. on each slide. Slide layout. The arrangement of various objects on a slide is called a slide layout. The arrangement includes formatting, positioning, and availability of placeholders for each object. Placeholders are containers for different types of content like text, table, charts, audio, video, etc. The slide layout also includes themes applied to a particular slide. PowerPoint provides you with many predefined slide layouts to assist you in creating good presentations. Click on the arrow below the new slide icon in the Slides group on the Home tab to open the layout options. Title and content layout is the default layout when you insert a new slide. Inserting objects in placeholders. As you know, all new presentations have a slide with two placeholders for title and subtitle. When you add a new slide after the title slide, the new slide will have the default layout with a title and a content placeholder. You will see a group of 6 icons on the slide. You can click on any of the icons to insert the related object. Inserting image. Clicking on the image icon opens the Insert Picture dialog box. Browse for the image you want to insert and click Open. Inserting clip art. Clicking on the clip art icon opens the clip art task pane. Browse for the image you want to insert and double-click on it to add it to the slide. Inserting video. Clicking on the media clip icon opens the Insert Video dialog box. Browse for the video file you want to insert and click Insert. Inserting Smart Art Graphics. Clicking on the Smart Art graphic icon opens the Choose a Smart Art Graphic dialog box. Select the graphic you want to use to display your data and click OK. Inserting charts. Click on the chart icon opens the Insert Chart dialog box. When you choose the type of chart, an Excel window with a sample table opens. The corresponding chart is also inserted on the slide. You can modify the table according to your data and then close the Excel worksheet. Whenever you wish to modify the data, right-click on the chart and choose Edit Data option from the menu. The worksheet containing the data table will open. As you can see from the menu options, you can do other actions like change chart type, add data labels, etc. as you do in Excel. Inserting table. Clicking on the table icon opens the Insert Table dialog box. Click the number of rows and columns you want in your table and click OK to insert the table in your slide. Using Insert tab. You now know how to insert 6 types of objects to your slides. These are the 6 most commonly inserted objects in any presentation. However, there are many more types of objects that you can insert using the Insert tab options. As you can see, the 6 objects you have learnt about can also be inserted using the Insert tab. Besides these, you can also insert audio, text box, word art design, header, footer, etc. in your slides. Creating a presentation. Let us create a presentation on the topic water conservation and insert different types of objects in it. Follow these steps to create the presentation. Open a blank presentation. Open Design tab and select a suitable theme. Give it title Water Conservation and subtitle How to Conserve Water at Home. Click on the arrow below New Slide option in the Slides group on Home ribbon and select a blank slide layout. On the Insert tab and using the Picture option in Images group, add some images. Click on the image to get circular and square resizing handles around the images. Place your mouse on any of the handles and drag it inward or outward to resize the image. Place your mouse on the highlighted circular handle to rotate the image. Add a new slide with default layout. Give slide title as Uses of Water at Home. In the Content Placeholder, click on Insert Table icon. Give values 2 for columns and 7 for rows. Put data into the table. Click on Slide Number option in the text group of Insert tab to open Header and Footer dialog box as shown in figure. Check the slide number and don't show on title slide boxes highlighted in figure. Click on Apply to All button to insert slide number for all slides except the first one. Add more slides to the presentation on water conservation. Some information that you can include are how much water is spent for each activity listed on slide 3, ways of saving water, etc. Slide transition. After completing your presentation, you need to view it. When you run the slideshow, all the slides come after Other at the click of your mouse. Moving forward to the next slide in the presentation is called Slide Transition. You can use slide transition options to create animation-like effects when the next slide comes. These options are available in the Transitions tab. Transitions tab has 3 groups: Preview, Transition to this slide, and Timing. When you click on the arrow highlighted, a list of transition styles opens. Follow these steps to apply a slide transition effect to the water conservation presentation. Click the second slide. Open the Transitions tab. Select any transition style from the Transition to this slide group. Set 2 seconds in the Advance slide after box. This will advance your slide automatically after 2 seconds. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for each slide. Run the slideshow to view the transition effects. Custom animation. You have learned how to set slide transition effects to enhance your presentation. PowerPoint enables you to add animation effects to each object on your slide. These options are available in 4 groups: Preview, Animation, Advanced Animation, and Timing of Animations tab. When you click on the arrow highlighted in the figure, a list of animation styles opens. There are 4 types of animations that you can apply to any object. Entrance. Here, you set the way the object enters the slide. Emphasis. Once the object has taken its place on the slide, you can add more animation effects for emphasis. Exit. Here, you set the way the object exits the slide. Motion path. You can make any object move in a certain path using the available options. Any object can have one or more the 4 types of animation effects applied to it. Follow these steps to apply animation to the images inserted on slide 2 of Water Conservation presentation. Select an image. Open the Animations tab. Open Animation Styles and choose the Entrance Animation effect. Click on Add Animation arrow in the Advanced Animation group to open the list of animation styles. Select an effect for animation. Repeat step 4 to select Exit and Motion Path styles if you want. Repeat steps 1 to 6 for all the other images you have on the slide. View the animation effects by running the presentation. Animation Pane. Animation Pane enables you to work with the different animation effects that you have applied to the slide objects and modify them. Click on the Animation Pane option in the Advanced Animation group to open it. As you can see in the Animation Pane, all the animation effects applied to the different objects of the slide are listed. If you click on the play button, all the animations will play out in the order in which they were applied. You can click any effect to select it and then reorder it using the reorder buttons at the bottom of the pane. Timing the effects. Follow these steps to set the duration of each effect. Select the effect in the animation pane. Set the timing in the duration text box in the timing group of the Animations tab. Automating animation. You can start each animation with the click of your mouse or simply automate it. Follow these steps to do so. Select an animation from Animations pane. Click on the arrow next to the Start drop-down box in the Timings group to display a menu of options. Select with previous option if you want to display the selected animation effect together with the previous one. Select with previous option if you want to display the selected animation effect after the next one.